Sprung is a family-run business that started in 1887, based here in Alberta.
So it started with my great-grandfather, and we're now into our fourth generation of the Sprung family.
We invented the stress membrane structure that's been used around the world for a multitude of applications, from churches, schools, military, environmental, gaming, and now sports and recreation.
The Sprung Performance Arena is an innovative alternative to conventional construction.
So rather than having to go out to contractors, architects, several suppliers, you can now come to Sprung and have a complete solution all in one, where we will build your complete arena from start to finish.
The wow factor with the Sprung structure starts the moment you walk into the arena. I think there's the perception that this is different. It's architecturally different, it's pleasing, the tension membrane, people are intrigued, they go, what is this? From the moment they walk through the front door, they go, wow, they can't believe this is an arena. It's bright, it's clean, the sound is good. It's just a fun place to play. The benefits of the Sprung Performance Arena in your community are rather substantial. An arena can be built much faster than conventional construction. It's bright, clean, spacious environment. It can be used for a multitude of other applications, from trade shows to community centers to events, in addition to hockey. And it provides a stabling factor in your community and a pride factor that you really can't get from any other types of architecture. And we think between the team that we put together, we've got a solution that is dramatically different than you've seen in the marketplace. For less than $6 million, you can have a Sprung Performance Arena constructed between 6 and 9 months and be ready to play hockey. For anybody who's considering a Sprung Performance Arena, I would highly recommend that you go and see the Edge School in Calgary, Alberta. The reason is simple. All of the pictures and all of the brochures and video are one thing. To be able to actually walk in and see an arena that is dramatically different than anything else in the marketplace is tremendous.